Good afternoon. My name is Leonardo Hernández Morales, and I'm going to explain the future tense using will and going to. The future tense can be rather confusing and a little difficult, but once we have studied it already, it will be very easy. And there is a main difference between these two forms, and the difference is that we use going to talk about plans and intentions that we made before the moment of speaking, and we use will to talk about the future at the moment of speaking. First, the will form. This one can be used to talk about events that we have just decided to do in the future, uh, or for predictions and also for promises. And we got here some examples to explain better the context. The structure of will. To make it positive, we put first the subject, then will, and then the verb. To make it negative, we put not after will. The structure is the same, but in the questions we exchange the subject and will, we put the verb and then the question mark. Now going to. This one can be used to talk about events that we have already planned in the future and our intentions in the future. And to explain it better, we got here two sentences. The first one says she's going to attend university and study to become a doctor. And the second one says we're going to make a presentation next week. So these ones are like obligations or responsibilities. So we got here plans to make in the future in these two sentences. The structure is simple like the other one with will. For positive sentences, we put first the subject, then to be, then going to, and then the verb. For negative sentences is the same, only we put not after to be. And for questions, we exchange subject for and to be, then we put going to, then the verb, and then the question mark. How to use these two forms? First, the will form. We can use it to talk about things that we decided to do. We can use it also for talk about predictions, and also to make an offer, a promise, or a treat. And to use want, we can use it when someone refuses to do something. And now the going to form, we can use it when we have already decided or we intend to do something in the future, like a prior plan. And we can use it also when there are definite signs that something is going to happen, like evidence, and also when something is about to happen. Now I'm going to talk about the future predictions, and in this one we can use will or going to. The two ones are correct, like these two sentences right here. We can use one of these two forms. And now we're going to compare will with going to in this example right here. If someone asks, "Are you busy this evening?" we can make a plan using going to, like this one. Yes, I'm going to the movies, because it is a plan that we are going to make in the future. But if we don't have any plans, we can use will, like these sentences over here. I will probably watch TV, or I'm probably going to watch TV. Both will and going to are possible in this situation because we are predicting that we will happen, and there is not a plan. And that's all of this topic. It is very simple, only to remember how to use going to, how to use will, when we can use it, and the structure of the two forms. And thanks for watching.